everybody, welcome back to class. So as promised, we have discussed the phrasal verb in our previous video. So we have types of phrasal verbs as well. We have transitive phrasal verb, we have intransitive phrasal verb, separable phrasal verb and inseparable phrasal verb. Well, how we can understand, how we can be able to identify these type of phrasal verbs are that this transitive phrasal verb can be identified for its demand. It demands for an object in a sentence. For example, we have, can you fill in the required details? It's demanding in nature. This transitive phrasal verb is very demanding in nature. So when you see a demanding word like fill in your sentence, that is type of phrasal verb, transitive phrasal verb. Another one is intransitive phrasal verb. Note that it does not require an object to complete them. It doesn't require any object to complete them in a sentence. Example of those are, my car broke down all of a sudden. Broke down here. You see that this one did not demand any object. It doesn't demand any object to complete it in the sentence, like the transitive verb. So these intransitive verbs are those verbs that do not require any object to complete them in a sentence. So this is the example, my car broke down all of a sudden. The third one is separable phrasal verb. This can separate verbs with the subject, with the object in between. So this type of phrasal verb, it can be separated, that you put the object in between the verbs. So an example is, I don't hold these against you. The phrasal verbs here are hold, and we have objects here and against. Hold, against. Instead of them to be together like the other phrasal verbs and types of verbs that we have, this one can be separated, that you have an object in between the verb, in between the phrasal verb, and it will still make sense. I don't hold these against you. So hold is separated, like those ones that are two combined words. So I don't hold this against you. Whenever you come across this type of sentence, this is what we refer as separable phrasal verb. And last one is inseparable phrasal verb. Like its name, you cannot separate them. So she was asked to check out. The last one is inseparable phrasal verb. These are verbs that cannot be separated, like the separable phrasal verb. This one has to be together to make sense and be meaningful. Like example is, she was asked to check out of the hotel. So the phrasal verb here is check out. So you still find them together, unlike the separable phrasal verb. So these are basically the four types of phrasal verb that we have. Remember, we have types of verb. We have discussed the auxiliary, the modal, and the phrasal verb. So under the phrasal verb now, because phrasal verb also have types, so I've tried to highlight with examples the types of phrasal verb that we have. So we have transitive phrasal verb, intransitive phrasal verb, separable phrasal verb, and inseparable phrasal verb. So if you have any question or examples to add to this, please put them in the comment section, and please remember to like, comment, and share so that others might benefit as well. Thank you.